As national security priorities evolve, Lawrence Livermore must be able to adapt swiftly to shifts and changes while meeting the rigorous standards required by the nuclear security enterprise. Livermore has recently deployed an enclave model to foster greater collaboration and innovation between design agencies such as Livermore and its many production agency partners. The Energetic Materials Development Enclave Campus, or EMDEC, is just one of Livermore's enclaves, with a goal to accelerate the advanced manufacturing of material streams for the nation's energetics enterprise. Working with partners such as Pantex Plant, Los Alamos, and Sandia National Laboratories, the Atomic Weapons Establishment in the UK, and others, EMDEC's enclave model offers opportunities for design and production agencies to exchange new ideas and develop innovative solutions.
We're definitely pushing the boundaries on advanced manufacturing for energetics, but we're also working closely with Pantex to make sure that those advancements are implementable in the production floor. If we're just doing it in the laboratory, the impact is going to be significantly less than if we can actually figure out a way to actually turn these into real product.
EMDEC represents a suite of scientific and manufacturing maturation capabilities such as synthesis, formulation, characterization, compacting, machining, among others. One centerpiece technology enabling the advanced manufacture of explosive materials is a pair of customized 3D printers that exist only at Livermore's facility for advanced manufacturing of energetics, or FAME, and at Pantex, which allows the partners to streamline the design, testing, and production processes.
We're talking with the production agencies a lot earlier in the process than we used to, and I think that's really helped streamline things. Let's say we have a design that Livermore would like to see implemented for some energetic material component. So we'll brainstorm with Pantex on different ways to potentially produce this component. We'll have to go through prototyping of making the material here, making the component, for example, here. What are the issues that come up? What are the issues we think will come up? And then what are the ones that really come up? Because it's very hard to predict some of this stuff, at least in the beginning.
Looking ahead to the EMDEC's growth, Livermore is already planning the EMDEC expansion, or EMDEC X. EMDEC X will feature a new collaboration hub, as well as facilities that will enable Livermore to manufacture full-sized components at a laser volume. EMDEC is enabling quicker and more reliable manufacturing of energetic materials. To learn more about EMDEC, check out the latest issue of Science and Technology Review.